small village surrounded by rolling green hills, a mysterious forest beckons young adventurers. Amidst the ancient trees, a vibrant rainbow tree stands, its colorful branches whispering promises of magic. Ali's heart races as he uncovers the tree's extraordinary power, a single wish for the happiness of others. Torn between personal desires and the needs of his village, a choice lies heavy on the young boy's shoulders. Storm clouds brew above the parched land, mirroring Ali's inner turmoil as he contemplates his wish. With unwavering resolve, Ali extends his hand towards the rainbow tree, ready to make a selfless wish. As Ali's wish is granted, raindrops dance from the heavens, breathing life into the thirsty earth below. Joy spreads through the village as the rain washes away despair,